G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you wanting to start an Amazon business? Maybe you've been thinking about it for a while. Maybe you're sort of unsure of the next steps to take, or maybe even you don't even know what to sell on Amazon. I think a lot of people are stuck in this predicament where they're not too sure what the products they should sell, what products are trending right now, and also, how to find the hot products, how to find products that people are actually searching on Alibaba right now that are trending. So here are the top things that I look for when it comes down to choosing great products to sell on Amazon. First of all, most people choose products that are not that profitable. So the ideal margin, or the ideal margin you should be making is around 30 to 50%. Seriously, 30 to 50%. So if you're selling a product between I think the ballpark product price should be anywhere from $35 all the way up to $100. Okay, you don't want to make it too expensive. If you make it $150 or $170, sometimes they need to consult someone before making that purchase. So it's another barrier before you making that sale. So really, you want to keep it as low as you possibly can, but still make money. So between $30, to $100 is a good recommended retail price for the product that you're selling. Now, your profit margin on a $100 item should be anywhere from 35, I would say, up to $60. That would probably be a good margin that you would be making. The next tip is the product you bring in, it really does have to be a lightweight product. You don't want to have a bulky product. Now, bulky products mean expensive shipping. You do not want to pay that. So the ideal rate is between 500 grams and 700 grams. Don't import anything or don't sell anything on Amazon that weighs more than a kilo. Why? Because it's darn expensive, all right? So you don't want to do that. The next step is size, okay? No more than 45 centimeters. So when you get a ruler, like a typical ruler from your kids, or from a pencil case, or from Bunnings or something, grab it. No more than 45 centimeters long. Why? Because the longer or the bigger it is, the more expensive or space it takes up in the Amazon FBA warehouse. So guys, these are the things I look for when it comes to finding products to sell on sites like Amazon. And guys, there's so much potential out there on Amazon. Now, if you're looking to start a business on Amazon, if you're looking to get into it, but you're not too sure what to sell, you're not too sure what products or even how to find hot products, what I've decided to do, guys, if you comment below and you tell me your biggest challenge, so what is stopping you right now from starting a business on Amazon? What is the number one thing? Is it products? Is you worried about supply quality? Are you worried about not being able to sell it? So let me know, comment below, what is your biggest challenge right now with starting on Amazon? And what I'll do, if you comment below, I'll send you this free report. Now, it's only a 2-page report. It's very short. It will take you about 10 minutes to read, but it's the exact step formula that I use before I choose products to sell on Amazon. Okay, so just comment below and check it out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm on a mission this year, 2019, to help as many people get started with Amazon selling as I possibly can. Okay, I've helped a ton of people over the last 10 years, but I want to help a ton more people. So if you know somebody who's interested in starting a business on Amazon, maybe they're not too sure what products to sell, maybe they're not too sure what the next steps are, please like, comment, and share this page and share it with them. I really want to help a lot of people this year get started and scale their Amazon businesses up to over $500,000. So guys, thanks for joining me today. My name's Alex Ryan. Let's get started with Amazon. Let's move forward. Don't forget, comment below on your biggest challenge right now stopping you from being successful on Amazon. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.